Hey guys, to fix this error, that's what you need to do here. So first you need to find your game. It can be Steam, Epic Games, it really doesn't matter where, but you need to go to Steam directory and then GTA 5. So right click on GTA 5, go to properties, install files, browse. And then here you should find a play GTA 5 exe file. If you don't see exe, you just need to press on the view tab and then select show, and then select file name extensions. Then you just need to right click on it, show more options, and then select create a shortcut, right? Once a shortcut is created, it can be on desktop or here, it really then doesn't matter. Then you just need to select show more options properties, and then under the target, make space here, and then you need to write one command, -no battle, and then I, right? This command here, and then you just need to press OK and launch Play GTA 5 exe. You can drag and drop that shortcut to desktop, and you just need to launch the game through desktop, and you'll be fine. Through the shortcut, and you'll be fine.